One of the biggest lessons I have learned in the journey of my life, that anything is truly possible with hard work, determination and proper planning. You are actually capable of so much, more than you think. Never underestimate what you are capable of. So, it is better to dream big and aim high. Yes, it is important to dream big. Simply dreaming big is not enough. Achieving your dreams is no one's responsibility other than you. You must do everything you can to get what you want. If it looks hard, then break it down and do something small each day. So while you dream big, it is important to plan small. Break down your dreams into smaller ones and then tackle them one by one. Taking small steps consistently over a period of time, it will eventually land you at your goals. When it is broken down into smaller ones, it will be more manageable and you are more likely to keep moving ahead. If you want to run a marathon, you would start with a goal of running 10K rather than just focusing on the entire marathon. Celebrate each milestone along the way. This will help you to keep working hard and motivated. While working towards your dream, it is most important to have regular analysis to know how you are progressing. If you are not tracking better, it is time to reassess the work and find out what you can do for better performance. Even you are not where you want to be, that's okay. Mostly things are not going to happen as we expect. Learn from your mistakes and be on the process. In general, the bigger the dream, the harder it to come true. But they just need some more hard work to happen. On the way of reaching your dream, it's important to stay motivated every time. Motivation never comes from outer world. It is the inner fire which sometimes blow up with outer wind. Someone said, it may not happen overnight, but it will happen. As long as you keep on taking action. Believe in yourself and dream big. You can achieve anything you want from your life. Thank you very much for your valuable time.